Welcome to the mathematics class of class 11th. Now today we take a new topic, that is empty set, null set, oblique void set. All are same. Okay, empty set, null set and void set all are same. So what is empty set? Okay, so at first I write a definition of empty set. Okay, a set which does not contain which does not contain any element. Okay, it means a set which does not contain any element is called empty set. Okay, so what is the definition say? The definition say a set which does not contain any element is called empty set. It means that is empty set have not any element. Okay, for example, if I take its example, so look at its example is I have a set a equal x, okay, such that x is what is, I take example, yes, x is a natural number, less than 0. Okay, so that is set builder form, that is in set builder form. After that I change the set builder form into roster form. So what happen, x such that x is a natural number less than 0. So if I make in roster form, so what happen, so आपके पास कोई ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर है जो लेस देन 0 है, you have not any natural number, so it means a equal 5. Okay, so it means a have not any element. Okay, so that is a example of empty set. Okay, so how I denote a empty set. um, Empty set is denoted by ब्लैंक ब्रैकेट. ओके, खाली ब्रैकेट बना देना है, कर्ली ब्रैकेट को खाली रखना है, ठीक है. और 5. ओके, the notation of, yeah, the representation of empty set is this type, empty bracket or 5, and this is also called 5. Okay, the set name is 5. 5 is always called a empty set. Okay, that is the definition of empty set. Pause the video and note the definition. Okay, now after the definition of empty set I take a new definition, that is finite or infinite set. Okay, so what is finite set? Okay, according to the its name, finite means countable. It means finite का मतलब जिसको हमको पता हो, it means countable element. So what is the definition? A set which consists a set which consists of a set which consists of a definite number of element. Definite number of element is called finite set. So what is the definition of finite set? A set which consists of a definite number of element is called finite set. It means in another way, a set, the another definition, a set which have a set which have countable element, is called finite set. So what is the definition of finite set? A set which consists a definite number of element. It means definite number of element means the set which have countable element is called finite set. Okay. For example, the example of finite set is a set A equal 1, 2, 3. That is a finite set because this set A have, because this set number of element in set A is how many set? Number of element in set A 1, 2, 3 element. Okay, I have a set B that is empty set. Okay, so count the number of element in set B. So number of element in set B is 0. So it means the empty set is also a finite set. Okay, because the number of element it have 0. I have a set C. The set C have 2, 4, 6, dash 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 10. So count the number of element in set C. Number of element in set C is 5, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So number of element in set C is 5, that is countable. So it means all set A, B, C, these are a finite set. Okay, that is the definition of finite set. Okay, pause the video and note down. Okay, after that, what is the definition of infinite set? Okay, those set which are not finite, is called infinite. Okay, which set are not finite? A set which does not consist a definite number of element is called infinite set. It means a set which have not countable element. It means जिस set के जो element हैं उनको अगर आप count नहीं कर पाएंगे तो वो कैसा set हो जाएगा? Infinite set. Okay, so those set which are not finite is called infinite set. For example, set of natural number, okay, so how I write the set? 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash, that are called infinite set because the number of element in the given set are not countable. Okay, it means the set is not finite, so that is a infinite set. Okay, clear? Pause and note down the definition. After the definition of finite or infinite set, we take a new definition that is called equal set. So which sets are called equal? It means equal set जो होंगे वो two or more sets होंगे. Okay, one set कभी equal set नहीं होगा. Two or more sets को अगर हम compare करेंगे तो उनमें हम find करेंगे कि वे set equal है अथवा नहीं है. So what is the definition of equal set? At first I write the definition. Two sets are called equal set if, so what is the main condition? If they have exactly the same element. So that is the definition of equal set. Two sets, it means two or more sets. Okay, two sets are called equal set if they have exactly the same element. अब हमारे दो जो set होंगे वो equal set कब बनेंगे? जब उनमें जो elements होंगे वो दोनों में क्या होंगे? Same element होंगे. Okay, for example, if I take an example, here I have a set A. In set A I have element 1, 2, 3, 4 and other set B equal 2 3 1 4. Okay, so set, I can say that, so set A equal B. Why? Because in set A we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 is also the element of A and 1 is also the element of B. 2 is element of A and 2 is also the element of B. 3 is element of A and 3 is also the element of A. 4 is inside A and 4 is also inside B. It means both have exactly same element. Okay, so in mathematical I have another definition. Set A and B are equal. A and B are equal. Okay, when it means A equal B, I have a symbol that is that implies. Okay, A equal B, so that implies, it means A equal B है, तो ये किसको इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं? अगर कोई भी चीज़ अगर किसी चीज़ को इंडिकेट करेगी तो वहाँ पर हम इस सिंबल का यूज करेंगे. A equal B, so that implies, the sign is, the name of the sign is that implies, if X is the element of A, so X is also element of B. Okay, if x इज दी, देखो x के अंदर जो एलिमेंट है वो किस में भी होगा, b में होगा. एंड इफ y इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ इनसाइड b, अगर कोई एलिमेंट अगर y के अंदर है, y एलिमेंट अगर b के अंदर है, सो y इज ऑल्सो एलिमेंट ऑफ a. ओके, सो व्हाट इज इट मीन्स कि जो सेट a के अंदर का एलिमेंट है वो सेट b में भी होगा और सेट बी के अंदर का एलिमेंट सेट ए में भी होगा. तो इट मीन्स क्या होगा कि बोथ सेट में एग्जैक्टली सेम एलिमेंट होंगे. अर्थात इट मीन्स सेट ए के अंदर के सारे एलिमेंट किस में है, बी में है, और सेट बी के अंदर के सारे एलिमेंट किस में है, ए में है. तो वही चीज यहाँ पर लिखी हुई है कि सेट ए के अंदर के जितने भी एलिमेंट हैं वो सेट बी में है, और एंड सेट बी के अंदर के जितने भी एलिमेंट हैं वो सेट किस में भी हैं, ए में भी हैं. दैट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इक्वल सेट. ओके, pause and note down the definition. Now after that I take exercise 1.2. Okay, so exercise 1.2 question number first say which of the following are example of empty set. Okay, so first is set of odd natural number divisible by 2. So that is empty or not? So set of odd natural number. So at first I write the set of odd natural number. So it means 1 3 5 7 dash dash dash. Okay, that is odd natural number. So अब इसमें जो हमारे odd natural number है, इनमें कोई भी odd natural number जो है वो 2 से divisible होगा, नहीं होगा. So it means that is a empty set. That is empty set. It means 5. Okay, after that second is set of even prime numbers. So what is prime numbers? Prime numbers 2 3 5 7 dash dash dash, that are called prime number. Okay, so tell me set of even prime number. So in the set of even prime number I have a element 2. It means that is 2 is even prime number. So it means that is not an empty set. That is not an empty set. Okay, third is x is a natural number. Okay, x is a natural number. It means that is, so what is natural number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and so on. Okay, so which type of natural number? That is x is greater than 5. Okay, x is not, x is less than 5. So it means x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. x is greater than 7. अब देखो इन दोनों कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करने वाला कोई आपके पास एक नेचुरल नंबर है कि देखो बोथ कंडीशन को एक साथ सेटिस्फाई करेगा, कि आपको एक ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर सेलेक्ट करना है जो 5 से क्या हो, लेस हो, और 7 से ग्रेटर हो. सो कोई ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर है जो एक ही साथ, देखो एक ही साथ दोनों कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा, 5 से लेस भी होगा और 7 से ग्रेटर भी होगा. तो कोई नेचुरल नंबर है, नहीं है. सो इट मीन्स दैट इज एन एम्प्टी सेट. empty set. Why? Because that is 5. That is also 5. Okay. After that, its fourth part is what is y, such that y is a point common to any parallel line. So what is the definition of parallel line? Do not cut each other at any point. So पैरेलल लाइंस कभी एक दूसरे को कट करेंगी नहीं करेंगी, क्योंकि कॉमन पॉइंट कब मिलेगा? टू लाइंस में कॉमन पॉइंट तभी मिलेगा जब वो एक दूसरे को किसी एक कॉमन पॉइंट पर क्या करेंगी? इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी. सो इट मीन्स आपको पैरेलल लाइंस में कोई भी कॉमन पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा. सो इट मीन्स दैट इज ऑल्सो 5. It means that is also a empty set. Okay, so question number first you make. Okay, now I take question number second. Okay, now I take question number second. Okay, so what is question number second say? Question number second say which of the following are finite or infinite set. Okay, so first is the set of month of a year. The set of month of a year, that means that is finite set. Why? Because in a month you have only 12. In a year, the set of month of a year, in a month we have 12 month. So it means that is countable. So that is finite. Okay, so 1 2 3 that is infinite. Why that is infinite? Because it have that means it have not a countable element. Because after 3 आप काउंट कर सकते हो कितने एलिमेंट और हैं? नहीं है. ओके, सो दैट इज इनफाइनाइट सेट. दिस सेट ऑफ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ग्रेटर देन 100. सो 100 से बड़े पॉजिटिव इंटीजर बताएं 101, 102, आफ्टर दैट 103 डेट एज सो ऑन. सो इट मीन्स दैट इज काउंटेबल और नॉट? दैट इज not countable. So that is infinite. Okay, after that its fourth part, the set of prime number less than 99. So less than 99, how many prime numbers are? So that is okay, the set of prime numbers less than 99. So it means prime numbers which have only two factors. Okay, so it means the set of prime number less than 99 is countable. So that is, it means that is finite set. Okay, so now make question number second. After that question number second, I take question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is very easy. So question number 3 you self make. Okay, question number 3 is based on that is which of the following are finite or infinite. So question number 3 is easy. Now I take question number 4. Okay, so what is question number 4? Question number 4 say in the following statement, in the following state. Okay, you have given some statement. So in the following state whether a equal b or not. Okay, so I take its first part. A equal, I have a set a, b, c and d, and another set I have b equal, that is d, c, b and a. Check whether a or equal b or not. Yes, because a, b, c, d, d. Sequence is not important here. Okay, but every element of a is in set b and every element of set b is also in set a. हर देखो ए के अंदर के कंप्लीट सारे एलिमेंट बी में होने चाहिए और बी के अंदर के सारे कंप्लीट एलिमेंट किस में होने चाहिए? ए में होने चाहिए. तो हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे हैं? हो रहे हैं. सो वी कैन से दैट ए सेट ए इक्वल सेट बी. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट आई टेक इट्स थर्ड पार्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट इज वेरी इजी. ओके, आप चेक कर सकते हो उसको. ठीक है, बिकॉज सेकेंड इज नॉट एन इक्वल सेट. ओके, now I take third. A equal, what is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, after that set b equal, what is x, such that x is a positive. X is a positive even integer. Even even integer and x is less than and equal to 10. Okay, so a is in roster form and b is in set builder form. So at first we change this set b into roster form. Okay, how I change? So what is in b? X is a positive even integers and that is x is less than 10. So how I state? Positive even integers. So check which are positive even integers. Check. So check which integers are positive even integers that are less than and equal to 10. So you find 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. All are positive even integers and that are less than and equal to 10. Okay, so it means every element of set A is in B and every element of set B is also in set A. So we can say that set A equal B. Any tough? Tell me, tough or not? Very easy type question. Okay, so first and second are very easy. Pause and note down. Okay, now after that I take its fourth part. Okay, so what is fourth part say? Fourth part is also very easy. That is set A equal x such that x is a multiple of multiple of which number? That is 10. Okay, x such that x is a multiple of 10 and after that set b equal that is 10, 15, 20, 25, after that 30 comma dash dash so on. Okay, so in this set A is in set builder form. So at first we change the set A into roster form. So set A equal, in set A we have a element x that is a multiple of 10. So tell me what is the multiple of 10? It means that is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Okay, so check whether A or B are equal or not. Both are infinite set because it have also uncountable element and it have also not countable element. Both are infinite set. So tell me both set are equal or not, because 10 is the element of B and 10 is also the element of A, but 15 is the element of B but 15 does not element of A. देखो 15 आपके सेट बी में है बट ए के अंदर नहीं है. सो वी कैन से दैट सेट ए डज नॉट इक्वल सेट बी. Clear? So that is very easy type question. So make question number 4 complete. Okay, now I take question number 5. Okay, so now take question number 5th part. Are the following pair of set are equal or not? Okay, so the set A is 2 and 3 and B is a set in set builder form. X such that x is a solution of the given equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal 0. So it means at first we change the set B into roster form. Okay, so for making the roster form of set B, at first we solve the given equation, because x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. अब आप इसका सॉल्यूशन जो है क्लास 10th लेवल में सीखा होगा. 3 2 जा 6, so factorize 6, 3 2 जा 6 and 3 plus 2 equal 5. So x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal 0. बस कुछ नहीं करना, आपको इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. ओके, आई टेक फैक्टराइज x plus 2, now 3x plus 2 equals 0. So x plus 2 and x plus 3 equal 0. If x plus 2 equals 0, so x equal minus 2. If x plus 3 equals 0, so we find x equal minus 3. So we find the given set B equal in roster form. What is in set B we have an element x and x is a solution of the given equation. So what is the solution of the given equation? Minus 2 and minus 3. So in set B we have element minus 2 and minus 3. So check set A equal B or not? No, because in set A we have element 2 but in set B we have not element 2. here is -2. So 2 and -2 are different element. Okay, so we can say that set A does not equal set B. Any tough? Very easy type question number 5. Okay, now I take question number 5, second part. Okay, pause and note down. Okay, now question number second is set A equal x such that x is a, now what is x? X is a letter. X is a letter in the word, word follow. Okay, now B equal, inside B element x such that inside B we have element y, and y is a letter in the word, what is the word? Wolf. WOLF. Okay, so both set are in set builder form. So at first we change the given set into roster form. So because set A equals, so change in roster form, the word is FOLLOW. So change F, comma O, comma L. Now L is repeat, so repeated word comes only one time. Okay, O is also here, W. Okay, now change set B into roster form, that is W, comma O, comma L, comma F. Okay, both set are in roster form. Okay, check F, F, O, O, L, L, W, W. In every element of set A is in B, and every element of set B is also in set A. So we can say that set A equal B. Okay, very easy type of question number 5. Okay, now question number 6 is very easy. You make question number 6 self from the given set, from the sets given below select equal set. Okay, अब आपको given A B C D E F G H different types के set दिए हैं ना, तो उन सेट्स को आपने चेक करना है कि कौन से सेट इक्वल हैं. ए सेट इक्वल बी है, ए सेट इक्वल सी है, ए इज इक्वल टू डी, ए इज इक्वल टू ई. तो चेक कर सकते हैं. अब कौन कौन से सेट इक्वल होंगे? जिनमें एलिमेंट क्या होंगे? एग्जैक्टली इक्वल होंगे. ओके, सो नाउ यू कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज 1.2 वेरी इजीली. ओके.